Hello guys, and how are you doing? Today we have a 2015 Toyota Corolla that we are going to be converting to CNG. Come along with me as I show you how we convert our vehicle to CNG. But first, a quick backstory. You get the point, right? Backstory. This vehicle was bought as a gift, and that is the whole backstory of the vehicle. It has been presented to the person, but the person that bought this gift, which I'm not going to mention the name as it is confidential, wanted it to be so economical so that it will not be a strain or stress on the person that is going to eventually own this vehicle, that is fueling this vehicle around. So he brought it to us and he asked us to convert it to CNG. Now for the specification, this vehicle comes with a 2ZR engine, one of the most reliable engines that Toyota has made, except from the 3UZ, although that one remains largely a debate. As for the health of the engine, look at it for yourself. This vehicle's engine is so clean because the vehicle, like I said, was just recently purchased, and this vehicle is going to do perfectly well on CNG. I mean, for a much broader example, look at the vehicle. When I start the engine, this is the first cold start, by the way. You can see there is no check engine light on the engine, not even any check engine light whatsoever. This light here is as a result of me leaving the door open, and this one is a seatbelt sign. There is no any other type of check engine light whatsoever. There is not a single error on this car, so the car works 100%. Now, as for the main bone of contention, this vehicle is going to be installed with a 82-liter Type 2 CNG tank. Normally, there is a particular special CNG kit we always use for all our vehicles, but because of a particular request, we are going to be going with Lovato CNG Kit with this one. Personally, I don't use Lovato, but it was specifically requested by the owner of the vehicle, so we're going to be installing it with Lovato. Alright, with all the introduction that has been said out of the way, let's start converting. The 2015 Toyota Corolla has been fully converted to CNG. One of the major questions I do get is what will happen to the boot space? And the reason being that after most people converted, or some people converted, they do think that they will not have enough boot space left. So this has deterred so many people that want to convert their vehicle to CNG. So this is a Toyota Corolla. It's supposed to have a small boot, and we have an 80-liter Type 2 CNG tank inside of it. So I'm going to be attempting to put these two kegs inside of the vehicle, and let's see what happens. Now, obviously, with me putting two kegs inside of the vehicle with the CNG tank and then a small keg to the side, there are still some pockets here. There is still a lot of space left here to put at least two more kegs inside of this vehicle. And as we're closing, it closes fine. At this point in time, I really don't know what you're afraid of for you to convert a vehicle to CNG. Now, let's take this vehicle to the CNG station and fill it up with CNG. Alright, so upon getting back to the workshop, I decided to calibrate the vehicle. I ran into a little bit of problem, and this is why technically I don't want to use any other kits that is not the one we use from our manufacturer, although I was able to fix it 100%. So now I'm about to take the vehicle for a test drive, and as you can see, the car is running on gas. Here it is. We have full gas. That's what we have. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but yeah, we have full bar of gas right now, and yeah, no check engine lights. So I'm going to drive out and then take the vehicle for a spin. I want to go to First Stack because I'm in Agopala. That's where my workshop is. So I want to go to First Stack. My vehicle is at the First Stack. They are doing something on it, so I just want to go there. I will drive this vehicle there to see the performance, and then I'll bring it back. Alright guys, with that being said, this is going to be the end of the video, and as you can see, the vehicle is driving 100%. I am currently driving it on gas, and it's driving phenomenal. So with this out of the way, whoever is going to eventually be driving this car as Otibolo, he has escaped from fuel. So if you would like me to take this vehicle on a range test from Lagos to Ibadan, just drop a comment section in the comment section, and I am going to do that. Or if you would like to convert, if you own this type of vehicle and you would like to convert it to CNG, or you have any other type of vehicle you like to convert to CNG and then escape from fuel, just like this person has escaped from fuel, let me know. Drop it in the comment section below, and I will be waiting for your message. See you guys soon. Bye bye.